The ViewSonic PJD8633WS is a WXGA DLP projector designed to deliver dependable performance for both work and entertainment. With a native resolution of 1280 by 800, it provides crisp visuals and clear text, making it suitable for classrooms, offices, or home theaters. Its compact black design is sleek and subtle, fitting easily into any environment without being obtrusive. Setup is straightforward, and the projector is surprisingly versatile. It supports HDMI, VGA, and USB connections, making it compatible with laptops, streaming devices, and even gaming consoles. The short-throw design is particularly convenient for smaller spaces, allowing a large, bright image without requiring a long distance between the projector and the screen. Brightness is impressive at up to 3,300 lumens. Even in rooms with moderate lighting, images remain clear and vibrant. Color reproduction is solid, and the contrast ratio ensures that text, graphics, and video content all appear crisp and detailed. Whether it's a classroom presentation or a movie night, the image quality is more than adequate for casual and professional use alike. One of the biggest advantages of the PJD8633WS is its lamp longevity. With energy-saving modes, the lamp can last up to 10,000 hours, reducing maintenance costs and the hassle of frequent replacements. Vertical keystone correction also helps ensure a perfectly rectangular image, even if the projector isn't perfectly centered. The built-in speaker provides basic sound, suitable for presentations or small viewing setups, although external speakers can be added for a more immersive experience. The remote control allows easy access to picture modes, input sources, and settings, so adjustments are quick and convenient. Portability is another highlight. Weighing less than 4 pounds, this projector is easy to move between rooms, take to classrooms, or use in small events. It offers great value for the price, making it an excellent option for those looking for a reliable, versatile, and budget-friendly projector. The PJD8633WS is particularly suited for educational or professional environments where ease of use and consistent performance are essential. Teachers, students, and presenters will appreciate the combination of brightness, clarity, and flexibility. For home users, it offers an accessible way to enjoy movies, gaming, or streaming content without needing a dedicated home theater setup. Overall, the ViewSonic PJD8633WS combines affordability, functionality, and performance in a compact package. It delivers bright, detailed visuals, supports multiple devices, and provides a long-lasting lamp, all at a price that's accessible. Whether it's for work, study, or entertainment, this projector is a dependable choice for anyone looking to enhance their viewing experience. To get your ViewSonic PJD8633WS WXGA 1280 by 800 DLP projector in black, check the link in the description. It's a practical, high-value solution for classrooms, offices, or home entertainment setups.